this video is not about a miracle cure because I am an Ayurvedic doctor and I still have dark circles. Yes, even after following all the right things. But here's what I have realized. Dark circles are not always just skin dip. They're your body's way of saying slow down and listen to it. So today, I'm not promising perfection. I am inviting you into a real conversation about healing with Ayurveda. Namaste and welcome back to Ayurvedic Essence, where healing begins with wisdom. I am Dr. Arunabha, and today's video, I'll be sharing not just remedies but my own journey with dark circles. What causes them, what's working for me, and what I have learned from Ayurveda beyond the creams and concealers. In Ayurveda, dark circles are not just a cosmetic concern. They usually point to imbalances in our body and mind. Let's understand the deeper causes. Vata aggravation, dryness, overthinking, irregular sleep and exhaustion, Pitta imbalances, heat in the body, liver overload, emotional intensity, Agni weakness, poor digestion, ama, and undernourishment, sleep issues. Even if you lie in bed for 8 hours, disturbed sleep disrupts healing. For me, personally, it was a mix of all the four. During my studies, I barely slept well, stayed on screens late, and emotionally carried a lot. My digestion was not terrible, but not strong either. And slowly, the shadows under my eyes deepen. Let me share what I have been doing internally and what has actually made a difference over the time. Manjishta tea, once a day. 1 teaspoon of Manjishta boiled in 1.5 cups of water and reduced to 1 cup. Drink warm after lunch. It helps to purify the blood, cool the liver, and gently detox the skin from within. Brahmi ghee before bed. Half teaspoon of Brahmi ghee with warm milk before sleep. It helps to calm your mind, reduce stress, and improve deep sleep. It's a must for Vata type of dark circles. Triphala at night. Either as a powder or in a tablet form to clear the bowel and support Agni. I used to take it 2 to 3 times a week as a gentle cleanser. No supplement will magically erase your dark circles overnight, but these things are helping my system to heal. Slowly but surely, I am feeling more rested, less puffy, and more at ease. Let's talk about what I am applying externally. It's simple, clean, and Ayurvedic care. Kesar plus rose water pads. Soak a few strands of kesar in rose water, keep it in place for 10 to 15 minutes, then apply it with cotton pads. I do this 2 to 3 times a week. It soothes my eyes instantly. Potato juice plus kumkumadi tela. Mix few drops of raw potato juice with 1 drop of kumkumadi oil. Dab it gently under the eyes at night. It brightens the skin and reduces puffiness. Cold aloe vera gel or almond oil massage. Especially in the morning, I gently massage with cold aloe vera gel or almond oil. This helps to nourish the area and stimulate circulation. And again, these don't erase the dark circles overnight, but they have become a part of my daily self-care. More than results, they remind me to slow down and nurture myself. If you are like me, walking, creating, studying and healing, then dark circles may not fully disappear, but you can stop them from getting worse and you can feel better in your skin. Here's what I have started doing regularly. Sleep by 10 to 10:15 p.m. Even if I'm not sleepy, I shut the screens. 5 minutes of head massage. 5 minutes of head massage before bed. I splash with cold rose water or Triphala decoction every morning. Digital break every 90 minutes because screen fatigue will lead to eye fatigue. I used to chase perfection. Now I focus on rhythm, and Ayurveda is all about rhythm. So here the truth I want to leave you with. Even as an Ayurvedic doctor, I don't have the flawless skin or perfect routine, but I have stopped blaming my body and started listening to it. Dark circles are not your enemy. They are a soft message. Take care of me. If you are walking this same path, I see you. I am with you. If you found something helpful here, share it with someone who needs a gentle nudge to rest and heal. Let me know in the comments what has helped your dark circles or what would you like to cover me next. This is Dr. Arunabha and you have been watching Ayurvedic Essence, where healing begins with wisdom. Until next time, stay grounding. This is Dr. Arunabha and you have been watching Ayurvedic Essence, where healing begins with wisdom. Until next time, stay grounded, stay glowing. Thank you.